Hello student, today we are going to learn about problems on addition and subtraction. Okay, in our last class we have learned about addition, subtraction, properties of addition and properties of subtraction. Beyond one step more, we are here going to learn about evolution. That means we have to do simplification related to both of addition and subtraction in one sum. Here three numbers are given, two of them are to add and third have to minus. Okay, first what we'll do, first we'll add the two plus sign, then after getting the answer we will subtract the third from the sum of the first. Let's see one example. See here, first what we'll do, see problem based on addition. See here, 8,43,880 plus 8,85,796 minus 2,98,613. First we add the first two number, then we subtract the third from the first two sum. Okay, now see, add the first two number. See, 8,43,880 plus 8,85,796. When we add it, we get our answer 17,29,676. Okay, after that we will subtract the third number from the sum of this, from the sum of this two number. Okay, see, we will get the answer 17,29,676. then we will minus it from here, 2,98,613. see here, after minus we will get 14,31,063. next, see, this is your answer. See, after adding these two see here, these two number we get here 17,29,676. then we have to minus 2,98,613, and then we get our answer 14,31,063. now see, there is some problems related to the word problem. See, we have to same do as we have done before. First we have to understand the problem, then we have to think that what we have to do, whether it is addition. First see here one example. See, in the first year of a farm produce, see, 69,23,123 kg of oranges. In the second year it produces 75,19,233 kg of oranges, and if 2,69,002 kg were rotten and then the farm sold the remaining quantity, how many oranges were sold in both the year? So what we'll do, first we add the first year and second year oranges, and we got the total here 1,44,42,356. then there is given that there is some rotten eggs also. See, and we have to see here one thing. See, this is given the first year, this is given for second year, and if were rotten from the farm sold the remaining quantity, how many oranges were left? Okay, so here given, find the total oranges in both the year. Here only we have to find the total oranges in the both the year, and we have to find the total oranges both the year is 1,44,42,356. now see, now subtract the rotten eggs. That means how many eggs were sold. That means total eggs, total oranges we have got, and now I have to find out how many oranges were sold after rotten were minus from this. Now see, rotten ware is 2,69,200, 2 kg. So we minus it from 1,44,42,356 minus 2,69,002 kg. So our answer is 1,41,73,354. So our total oranges were sold in both the year were 1,41,73,354. In this way you have to do this sum. Now see, now we are going to learn about multiplication. See here, see here 34,728 we have to multiply by 35. See, first what we will do, first we arrange it in their place value. Then we arrange, first we arrange 34,728 in the place value. Then we arrange also the 35% place value. First we multiplied by 1's place value, that means 35. First we multiply that, first we multiplied with 5 the upper number. See, if we multiply, we get here 0, 4, 6, 3, 7 and 1, and all the carries are carried over 1. Then we multiply the tens place value with the same digits here, and we get this, and then we add the product of ones and the tens. Okay, in this way we can do the 3 digit also. First we multiply by ones, then multiply by tens, then we multiply by hundreds, and then we add the product of ones, tens and hundred. Let's see next. Same thing here. See one example. See multiplication. See, multiply 12,345 into 12. See, first we multiply by ones this, and we get 24,690. Now again, see, again we multiply this second, multiply by tens. The same we have multiplied by tens, then we get this value. That means in the C, and when we here is tens place C in unit place, ones place is this 2, and then 10 place is 1. So we multiply 12,345 with 1, we get the same value here, and we add here 1 0 across in during multiplication. And after that we third step we do here. In third, see, add the product of ones and tens here, and after adding we get here, see, this is the carry of this sum, and we get 1,51,400. okay, it is your answer of multiplication in this way. Now see multiplication by 57. See, same here is given. First we 7, see 7 is in ones place and 5 is 10 place. So first we multiply with ones place value is 7 with all this, and we get this, and again then after that we multiply with 5 all this, and we get this, and after that we add the ones and tens place product. Okay, now see, here is a word problem. See here. See, a wholesaler has 46 packet of greeting card, and each packet contain 3,675 greeting cards. Okay, so how many greeting card are available with the wholesale? So what we do, we have to multiply it. Okay, since one greeting packet contain this much, so how many contain 46 much? So we have to multiply it, and if we multiply, then we get 1,69,050. okay, getting card. Now see properties. See, here we are going to learn about properties of multiplication, group property of multiplication, properties of 0. C, order property, property of multiplication we are going to learn here. Order property of multiplication, where if the order of the two number is changed in a multiplication sum, the product remain the same. Okay, and in grouping property of multiplication here, if the grouping of number in a multiplication sum is changed, then the product remain the same. Okay, now see property of 0, if a number is multiplied by 0, then the product is 0. Now see, same thing here. See properties of multiplication. See, order property of multiplication, grouping property of multiplication, properties of 0, property of 1, distributing property of multiplication. This we are going to learn here. Now see order property of multiplication. See here, when two numbers are multiplied together, the product is the same regardless of the order of the multiplication. See here, for example, if 4 into 2 or 2 into 4, if we do both multiply, then in both the way we get the same answer. 4 into 2 is 8, and 2 into 4 equal to is 8. Now see grouping property of multiplication. See here, when 3 or more numbers are multiplied, the product is the same regardless of the grouping of the factors here. For example, if 2 into 3 into 4 or 2 into 3 into 4, if we first multiply in left side, see 2 into 3 and then multiply with 4, or in right side here 2 and then we first multiply 3 into 4. See here, first multiply 2 into 3, we get 6 into 4, then we get 24, and see here, if 3 into 4 we get 12, and 12 to 2 equal to 24. So see, in both the ways we get the same answer. This is known as grouping properties of multiplication. Now see, properties of 0. If a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. For example, see, 0 into 6, 6 into 0 equal to 0. Now see, property of 1. See, if the product of any number and 1 is called is the number. See, for example, if 5 into 1 we get 5, or if 1 into 5 get same 5. Now see, distributive property of multiplication. See, the sum of two number times a third number is equal to the sum of each addends times the third number. See here in this example, see, let's see, 4 into 6 plus 3. So if we separate them, the 4 into 6 plus 4 into 3, in both the way 4 is multiplied with 6 and 3. Now see, in both the side we get the same answer. See here, if here we add first 6 into 3 we get 9, and 9 into 4 equal to 36. And see here, if 4 into 6 are 24 and 4 into 12 3 equal to 12, and if 12 plus 24 plus 12 we get 36. In both the way answers are same. Now see, electric method of multiplication. See here, see, electrics multiplication also known as the Italian method, Chinese method, Chinese electrics, Glossarian multiplication, series multiplication, Sakave, diagonally or Verdinier square is a method of multiplication that use electric to multiply two multi-digit numbers. Now see here, in this way, first we arrange, suppose 37 into 56 we have to do. So first write the number to be multiplied to on the top and on the right. See, since we write on the top 37 and on the right we have write 56, then we have to what, we have to multiply the number on the box. So see, 5 7 is 35, we put here 35, then 5 3 is 15, we put here 15, then 6 7 is 42, we put here 42, then 6 8 is 18, we put here 18. Okay, now add the numbers in the box diagonally. We will add diagonally and carry over the ones. Here 2, put here 2, then see, 5 plus 4 9, and 9 plus 8 17. See, 17 7 here and 1 put here. See, okay, then we have to add again. See, 3 plus 5 8 plus 1 9 and carry 1 10. So here 0 and 1 here move again 1 carry, and 1 plus 1 is given as 2. So your answer 37 into 56 equal to 2072. Okay, in this way. Now see, on examples here, write the number to the multiple in the top of the right side, 37 into 56. Here in this way we write it. See, next we will arrange it, see, in a box, see, like this, in this way after multiplication. Then what we'll do, then we have to add the number diagonally. See here, this way. See, we multiplied first, then we arrange it here, and then we see, this is our answer. Now see here, see, see, this is another example. See here, see, 5 2 ja 10, 5 4 ja 20, 5 3 ja 15. Now see, 7 2 ja 14, then 7 4 ja 28, then 7 3 is 21. Now diagonally, see, 4 8 plus 1 9, then 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, then 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 8 9 and 1. So our answer of multiplication, that means 342 into 57, if we multiply, then we get the answer 19494, that is 19,494. Okay, and this we have to do it. Okay, now this is method that you are taught here, that we explain you. This is the steps that you have to do, that you have to study, and you have to do same as I have shown here in the example. See here, one example here more. See, let's see, here it is distributive property of ones that I explained in the examples. Okay, see, if 5 into 1 equal to 1 and 55 into 1 equal to 1, that means if any number is multiplied is 1, then we get the same number. Okay, now distributive property here, same here, if 50 plus 20 into 10, we get 70 into 10 equal to 700. If we break it, then 50, see, same thing, if then if we break it, then 50 into 10 plus 20 into 10, we get the same. 500 plus 200 equal to 700. Okay, now see, let's do mathematical see here. See, first we draw a rigid, then we put the number on the top side and right side, then we multiply according to the numbers from see this way, from 1 into 2, then from right side here, since 2 into 1, then 2 into 8, then 2 into 3, then 2 into 4, put in a box, and now take another box, place see 4 here, then 4 again multiply with 1, then 8, then 3, then 4, then I do another box, place here 3, then 3 into 1, then 3 into 8, then 3 into 23, then 3 into 4, and this way it is plotted. And then you see in this way the chart is become, and now we have to add it diagonally. See, we add it diagonally, all add diagonally, and put the carry over there in the next box and add them, and we get this answer. That means we can say that after multiply 4381 with 243, we get 10,64,583. In this way we have to do this, the fill in the blank, this is the find the products, solve questions or problem, you do it here. Okay, and this is your this is a pattern that you have to do here. See, problem solving strategy for a pattern. See, 3 into 10 we get 30, so you have put in their product from C in place value. C, we get a 3 and 0. 3 into 100 we get 300, 3 into 1000 we get 3000. Now how many zeros are there in the product of 3 and 10,000? See, oh, now see one thing, sorry for that, there is some person then for that reason I will see up. If 3 into 10 we get 3 into 10, that means there is 1 0, it is 1 0. If 3 into 100 we multiply, then we have 3 into the 2 zeros. If 3 into 1000, then 3 zeros and 3 zeros, 3000. So we can say that put 4 zeros in the product of 3, then we get 4 zeros here. So 3 into 10,000 equal to here, how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. Okay, so we have to do the, so to multiply by 10, 100, 1000 and so on, put as many zero in the product of the total number of zeros multiplied. See here, so 10, that means we have to put here 1 0. 100, see 2, so for 400 there will be 2 zeros. The 1000, 3, see, so in that way we can say that means to know pattern. See, if we multiply 10, then we have to put 1 0 multiply with 100, then we have to put 2 zeros multiplied with 1000, we put 3 zeros multiplied with 10,000, we put 4 zeros. These are the pattern through which we have to do it, and this is your exercise. Okay, and this is the multiplication chapter, and is there any mistake, so please excuse for that. Thank you.